Hey guys, I'm Jordan, and today we're going to test the drain pump on a GE washer that isn't draining. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see more guided repairs. We appreciate your support. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we need a multimeter and a putty knife. While you're getting those together, please remember to keep safety first. Since we'll be checking live voltage during this test, you'll need to plug your washer in and turn it on. You'll also want to turn off your water supply. Be very careful here to protect yourself from electric shock, which could potentially cause serious injuries. Don't ever test live voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter. To access the drain pump, you'll need to remove the front panel of the washer. Use a putty knife to find the two clips under the top panel at the front. Then push in with the putty knife until it releases the panel. Next, take the front panel and at a slight angle, pull it off the lower tabs to remove it from the cabinet. The drain pump will be at the bottom right. First, we're going to set the multimeter to test for AC voltage. This will have a symbol that looks like a V with a squiggly line. There are two wires going to the pump. While the washer is in drain mode, put one probe on each wire terminal. You should get a reading of 120 volts. If you get the right amount of voltage but the pump isn't draining, you'll need to replace the pump. After that's done, you can put the front panel back on the lower tabs and then line up the sides so all the tabs on the sides fit into the panel. Once those are lined up, push in on the top of the front panel to keep it back under the clips on the top panel. Thanks for joining us today. If your drain pump tested good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out why your washer isn't draining. We've got thousands of videos to help you with diagnosing and making repairs. If your drain pump tested bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can repair it yourself. Leave a comment below to let us know how the troubleshooting or repair process went. If you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.